Ranger, right?
Yeah, leave it on.
No, give him the water. Yeah,
Got a
okay.
straw. Get ice in it, please.
Trust me, it's cold.
It's from the refrigerator.
Drink it through the straw. The straw.
Oh my God.
Look
Take pictures for Randy.
I'm not taking pictures.
You're gonna take a picture? You're gonna take a picture of that. Take a picture of that, motherfucker.
Let me stop taking pictures.
Wait, no, hold on. Take a picture of that, because I don't care enough to send the very fucking best to you.
What?
Martians. What? What about Martians? They're green.
They're on your arm.
Where? Oh.
Dad.
There's no Martians under there. This is. What juice is this?
Cranberry.
It's not Martian
this
juice.
Is supposed to make me piss better. Right?
You haven't had any of it.
Hey,
Drink
Dad.
the water. What water? What the fuck are you talking about? Last time I remember we was drinking this stuff, right?
No, you haven't drunk any cranberry
You
juice.
can't really get this party going.
No, Dad. Do you see this cup right here? This cup? You need to drink that.
This one?
Yeah, it's good for you.
What's in it?
Water.
Water's not good for you. Especially in Jersey. The water in Jersey sucks.
Well, at least it's not the water in South Carolina.
South Carolina makes your balls turn green.
Oh,
And Florida tastes like freaking rotten eggs. Jersey's water at least tastes like bleach, like it's clean.
Fuck you.
Where did that come from?
I don't know. Where did it come from?
Dad, you need to eat some of your pretzels.
Which ones? I
That's
got
what the
it.
aliens were eating before.
Dude, your headphones.
Christopher, go put them on the dresser, please.
That's very well. Go on. Dad, are you okay?
The cat is back, quick.
Hello. Nobody told.
Okay. Dad, you need to drink the water, man.
Alright, I'll drink the water.
Drink it.
Do we
Alright.
have any bread?
We have pretzels.
No, I don't want fucking bread. What the fuck do I want bread for? If you're gonna make bread, make me a hamburger.
The eye patch.
You ate the rest of the hamburgers
No, I
yesterday.
did not! You ate the rest of the hamburgers, you fucking glutton!
What? Dad, you just...
Aliens ate the hamburger.
No! Aliens don't eat hamburgers, only humans do! The fuck?
Aliens eat them. What do aliens eat then?
I have no idea!
Are you sure you haven't been adopted?
Ask the aliens, they'll tell you what they eat.
You dropped the pretzel.
Hey, Dad, aliens.
You did.
Where? Fucking aliens? God damn it, what the fuck?
Dad,
I gotta stop drinking, I really do.
Drink water. Drinking like an hour ago. Yeah.
yeah.
Well, what's in this cup?
Water!
Drink it?
Can we
Yes.
have that again? What's in this cup?
Oh shit, motherfucker, this is Rush.
Nice. Hey,
This is like the best.
Drink the water.
dude, it's like almost 1 o'clock.
Hey, you didn't want the book.
Alright.
Oh, there's the rest of the book. Yeah, that's what we need to learn.
How is it? It's good?
So now if we go upstairs, we'll get the rest.
You know what? There's pretzel in that water.
It is?
I think.
I guess the salt makes it taste better.
Yeah.
The aliens did it.
Fuck you and the aliens.
You brought them up. You said they were running
I
around
did
the
not
table.
bring the aliens up.
You
He
said.
did.
You said there was
What?
aliens on the table.
No, he said Martians. You said
Oh, sorry, Martians. You said there was Martians.
Whatever the fuck they are.
You said there was Martians
You
on the
don't
table.
swim in the acid rain.
What? Dad, you know aliens made this song.
No, Rush made this song.
Rush are a bunch of aliens.
No, they're not.
Yeah?
There is Gary Lee Weinrib is his real name, and then Alex Zionjovic and Neil Peart. which is the greatest drummer in the world.
I thought.
Even me.
It's not. It's
I thought Mike Portnoy was the greatest drummer in the
Yeah,
world.
he's sick.
stare. You got that.
Because if there wasn't no real
Snuck right
per,
through the window.
there'd be no Mike Portnoy.
So we gotta
I
figure out
swear to
where
God,
that
if you
has to
fucking
happen.
filming this, don't beat your ass.
I'm not.
Excuse me. Aliens! Wow.
Wow, what? All right, Dad, I need you to drink that water.
Alright, I'll take the one.
Yeah, your Dad, there was a straw.
Where's the straw go?
Now we're getting
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I saw him. Hey, Dad,
What?
how many fingers am I holding up?
A lot. Hey, Dad. Is that a trick question? How much fingers am I holding up? 1, 2. Is that it?
Okay.
I'm not a mathematician, goddammit.
Yeah.
You know, these kids think I graduated college or something.
Well, James, it doesn't take much to rub two brain cells together because that's all you have right about now.
That's it. Shut up.
You just threw a pretzel at a bag.
Yeah, hello. I'm as fat as anything in this house. And you're
Okay, there you go, I missed.
Now you hit Christopher in the
Oh,
face.
it's wet.
It was the picture throw it out.
It's wet.
Dad, you're on YouTube.
I am?
Yeah, say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Shit, what's the time?
I'm on YouTube. I'm a fucking celebrity.
You are a Martian, remember?
Move.
Take that and shove it.
You said you're a Martian. All right, we gotta find the clock now.
Dad, you need to drink the water. You can't sleep yet. Dad,
What?
you need to drink the water. Chris, stop clapping.
He's not sleeping. Steven, go grab his titty.
Don't you grab my titty, bitty.
Bitty. Dad, you're gonna fall over if you don't stop.
James, stop it. You're gonna hit a glass cabinet with your head.
Dumbass.
He's gonna hit the corner of the chair. I'm next to him.
I'm done. I think I'm done drinking.
You've been done drinking like an hour ago.
Did it?
Yeah. We've already said this.
Drink the water in front of you.
Dad, that's water. Yeah, you need to drink that. You need to take a bigger sip.
I can only take so much.
Steven, don't get him to drink too much water. He's gonna throw up.
Isn't that a good thing?
No.
No.
Throwing up
Okay.
alcohol.
I got you.
You are sitting.
I guess I am.
You gotta sit.
You would stop banging the table like a moron.
I'm not banging it.
Well, it's not the Martians.
Fuck the Martian.
You told us there was Martians running around the table.
I'm sorry. I must have been lying. Can you stop that? Turn this shit off, please.
What shit?
Oh, it's wet.
You
I'm-
tell him to stop filming.
I'm not. I'm texting my girlfriend.
He's filming.
It's a Martian.
You tell him to stop. Tell him to stop.
Yeah, look.
Tell him to stop. Tell him to stop.
God, all right, stop.
Hey!
It's a panel lamp.
Stop filming me, you asshole.
I'm not. I'm getting something out of the fridge.
You tell him to stop filming me. This is a hot dog song from Led Zeppelin.
That's the binary clock. We need that.
Did you tell him to stop filming me? He's filming me still.
You know, I think I need cereal.
I need to go to bed.
No, you are not going to sleep any time in the century.
The century? How long is the century? 100 years.
I thought a century was. Yeah, you're right.
Millennium is 1,000.
I got a
Yeah, I got it, Chris. Yeah. Do you know how old you'll be in 100 years? I didn't understand that.
I don't know.
We have a wire, we have a lamp.
Dad, you're falling asleep. Dad, you need to stay up.
Steven, wake him up, Christopher.
Dad, I'm gonna pinch your nipple. Dad,
What?
you're gonna fall over if you don't stop.
Alright, good.
Fall over where? I need to sleep. I'm tired.
Can't go to sleep yet.
I sleep. I'm tired.
No. Can you change this gay ass shit?
You baby, stop touching my chair, you fucking shit.
Ah.